Hey y'all, so y'all know when I look like this, look a mess, and my hair is like this, y'all know what time it is. Oh, that just gave me a headache. Oh my gosh. So I'm back with another curly wig, a very very affordable curly wig, and this is another half wig, and this is how the packaging looks. The name is Amber and it's 26 inches, and I got it in the color 1B. So I just wanted to show y'all like how my hair was. I just have twists, and then of course this is gonna be my leave out. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that before I put my wig cap on. So I'm gonna put my wig cap on. So this is how it looks when I take it out of the little package, I guess. So it comes with the little paper, and I'm like, what in the world? It comes with a hairnet. I'm just gonna take that off. Okay, so this is how the card looks. She's cute. I think I saw her Instagram before. She's really cute. She doesn't look bad. Her leave out looks bad though. So you can put heat on this, but I'm not putting heat on this, so no. And then they have the instructions on the back and the care guide, but I don't need that because I didn't had a wig like this a lot of times. So this is how the curls look. Really pretty. The hair feels soft. Okay, so it has a comb at the top, a comb at the bottom, and two adjustable straps right here and right here. So now I'm gonna put this on. Sweet bloodshot eyes, we don't know anymore. She used to be so hungry. Okay, so this is how the curls look. So I'm not gonna do my leave out part on camera. If y'all want to see how I do that, then just go check out the other curly half wig video. I will have that. It will be at the end of the video. Once this one is over, then you can go watch that one so you can see how I do my leave out. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come back and talk about it and tell y'all where I got it from. Y'all, I honestly don't remember where I got it from, but I'm about to find out. Okay, so this is how the wig looks on me. These are the curls. I feel like these are like wand curls. That's what they look like to me. So I don't like this right here. Like in the other wig, maybe it was the same. I honestly don't know. But in the other wig, I couldn't see it as much. So I'm about to I got this little hair scarf right here. I'm about to see if I can make this work. But while I'm doing this, I might as well talk about it. See, look, y'all can see it. So I got this wig from samsbeauty.com, and it was very affordable. It was $13.99. Very affordable. And I'm sorry if I'm smacking. I'm hungry and this gum is really good. Okay, let me see. So you could be like a black headband right there. Oh, I'm going to the movies and I'm going to see Deadpool. I have no idea what that is, but I'm going with one of my friends. So yeah. What else? I don't know. What else am I supposed to say about this wig? I already showed y'all the package. It's 26 inches. I got the color 1B. I got it from samsbeauty.com. It was $13.99. The shipping did not take long at all. What else? I'm struggling. Yeah, I'm gonna wear it like this because that looked a little tacky to me. Okay. Don't worry about the headscarf in the back. I know it's showing, but I just want to show y'all the length of the hair. So it's basically, it stops like at the middle of my back. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna fix my little headscarf once I get off of the camera. But I'm gonna go ahead in the video. I don't want this to be too long. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys purchase this wig. Now it is synthetic, so it is gonna, you know, tangle up after a while, but this is really good for, you know, for you to wear it for a little while. Get a little wear out of this. This is like, to me, this is like beach hair. So, you know, put on a cute little bikini, swimsuit, whatever, and you know, you go to the beach. Vacation hair, definitely. I love curly hair. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and add me on Snapchat. Follow me on Instagram. And I'm gonna start this new thing. I'm gonna try to remember to do it in every video. So I'm gonna have a question at the end of each video, and I want you guys to comment down below and answer it. So today's question is gonna be, what do y'all think looks best on y'all? I'm talking about hair wise. So I think that curly hair looks the best on me. Like, straight hair is cute on me and everything, but curly hair looks the best on me. That's my opinion. That's what I think looks the best. So comment down below and tell me what you guys think looks the best on you. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye y'all.